So I found this fashion poster online, and honestly, there is a lot going on here. The whole design looks overwhelming instead of professional, but the idea actually has potential. Sometimes beginners think that adding more colors and effects makes a design better, but usually it does the opposite. So let me try to fix it. And here is a funnel that we are building. Watch this video to the end to see how I transformed this. Start with the background. The background should create atmosphere and not chaos. After you fill a solid color, Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer 2 times and apply the texture effect to all these 2 layers. Select the layer, go to Filter, Filter Gallery, then apply the texture effect. Then repeat it to the other one. Instantly, this makes our design look professional and interesting, as you see now. So instead of leaving the image flat, I am creating a custom shape to give the design more personality. You will see how the image integrates naturally into a design instead of feeling randomly placed. Now let us fix the typography. The fonts here feel random, oversized, and disconnected. Note that a good typography should guide the eyes, not confusing it, is what I am doing right now, with only 2 fonts. Now I am just finalizing with clip masking the image to the custom shape below as the main focus of the design. Make sure it stand out and create a good highlight. Now here is a final result. Notice how the design instantly feels more premium. If you want more videos where we turn bad design into a professional work, subscribe and send me the next design to fix it.